Ingram Micro, we use behavioral interviewing to help select applicants who have the skills, ability, and qualities to take on and thrive in a new role. We believe that past behavior is a good indicator of future performance, and that the experiences our candidates bring with them help us to understand how they handle future challenges. What are we looking for at Ingram Micro? Knowledge. What do you know? These are technical knowledge and skills required to complete job activities. Experience. What have you done? These are specific accomplishments including work and academic achievements relevant to the position. Behaviors. What can you do? These are behaviors required to successfully perform the duties of the position. Personal qualities. Who are you? These are qualities related to on-the-job success, satisfaction, and motivation.
During the interview, the interviewer will take time to walk you through the interview process. However, it is good to know the structure prior to the start of the interview. Set the stage. Interview process overview and setting expectations for both interviewer and interviewee. Gain a behavioral example. Behavior interview questions based on the required job competencies. Set a balanced picture. Behavior interview questions that explore area of opportunity. Close the interview. Interviewee to ask questions and interviewer to explain next steps in the process.
We ask behavioral interview questions. A behavioral example describes a specific event in the past when a candidate has used a skill or demonstrated a specific behavior. It contains specifics such as names, date, numbers, time, or places. Tell me about the time when you got results that far exceeded others' expectation. Give me an example of how you explained to a direct report or a team member what it was you wanted. Describe a time when you were able to prevent a problem or conflict by reaching out to your network. The first interview may be in person or on the phone. An appointment is typically coordinated with the candidate ahead of time. Most interviews last around 45 to 60 minutes, but there are no time limits. Know what you have done by reviewing your resume. Think about your work experiences and consider the following. What experiences have you had in the past that might relate to this job? Examples, projects, programs, interactions. Not a lot of work experience? Not a problem. Think outside of the professional realm and use applicable life experiences such as school and hobbies. What actions did you take and why? What was the outcome?
Our goal is to treat every candidate with respect and dignity. Thank you for considering Ingram Micro as your next